Hello guys, Pasquale is here from Repalo, the best workshop for engineerings, upgrade and rebuildings of used demolition top tools. In the early future of demolition business, we will have attachments that will be more intelligent, interchangeable, hybrid, and we think self-assembled. This is going to be the game change in the business. That's why we have thought to offer to you the first self-assembled demolition crusher. So, everything is now ready to assemble your first crusher at home. Join us, take part to the next business revolution. Thanks for watching Repalo. Keep following us, we need you.